family of cyclists this morning, and all of them finished the 30K, but did it on 2 bicycles. So, what's your name?
My name's Griffin Phil.
Lorianne Phil.
Matt Phil.
And Matt, tell us about riding tandem this morning.
Well, it was certainly fun. That was our first ride out with my son Griffin, and we had a blast.
It's a perfect day for riding, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. And how about you? You rode by yourself.
I know, right? Mama's always last, right? It was fun. I was glad to see him. I tried to catch him, but couldn't do it.
So, how does it work when you're the second one on a tandem? How much do you contribute to the effort?
I contribute, well, maybe about half the effort.
What's the name of your role? He's the stoker.
Okay.
I didn't know
Stokes
that.
the fire.
Yeah. So he doesn't have to shift or steer. He just pedals.
Oh, okay, so you have the hard part.
Well, I don't know. He did darn good. We did better than expected.
So you're part of a team, Lucky 13 Racing. Yep. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we're sponsored by Vincier Bikes in Milford here, and they started the team up a couple years ago, and it's been a great experience.
Well, it was fun seeing all of you come in, especially you, Mom.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for talking with us.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.